Mabuhay, kumusta? Hope everyone is having a great day. Today I'm going to try a dish from the Philippines. It's from the north part of the country. It's very, very healthy. It's from a place called El Norte. That's the origins of the dish. It's found throughout the Philippines, and as you can tell, it's got lots of vegetables. It's got okra, it's got squash, it's got beans, it's got eggplant, and it's got pork. And yes, it's very delicious. Lots of vitamin C, lots of vitamin A, all kinds of different minerals, because the Philippines is a lot of hard-working people, and they're often outside in the heat, so you have lots of vitamins to keep you nice and healthy. So let's go. Kain tayo. I get my rice first, because, well, most of the dishes in the Philippines is accompanied by rice. Oh, a little bit more. See, okra and pork. Pork. Delicious.
Why not try this one?
Yeah, that's for the Bagoong. It's delicious. Let's try lots of different vegetables all in one. Oops. This is Pinakbet, if I didn't mention that already. This is delicious. Pinakbet is a combination of different vegetables grown in the north part of the country, because it's a very, very fertile soil, easy to grow, the climate's perfect, so you have all kinds of different vegetables. The great thing about this dish, if you're a vegetarian and you do come to the Philippines, this is perfect, because it's delicious, and it's not just vegetarians that eat this dish, because it's so healthy and delicious. And they often have it with bagoong. A lot of foreigners, they don't really like bagoong because it's too salty, or yeah, it's quite a strong smell. But you get used to it if you have it regularly, or you try it a little bit with mixed of foods. It's quite nice. So I'm going to try it. But you don't have to have the bagoong with the Pinakbet. It's up to you. Some people in the Philippines, they have the fermented paste. They have it with mango. This is shrimp. It's cooked, this version. You can have a bagoong which is not cooked, and then you just mix it together. Let's try it. Okay, so I've got my Wow, the bagoong with the mixture of the different foods, it changes the flavour a little bit. It makes it more complete. In a previous video, bless you. In a previous video, I have had the fish from Sweden, which was a stinky fish called, I forgot the name. Anyway, what was it called?
Sashimi.
Strömming. Strömming. Thank you, Maganda. It's called strömming, and this was from Sweden, and it was in a can, and it was the stinkiest fish in the world. That was the label of it, and it was, for me, it was too stinky. This is not stinky in the same way. Yeah, it's got a strong smell to it, but it's no more than the fish sauce of Thailand. But this one, yeah, you can mix it with all foods. In fact, I'm going to mix the whole lot in. I think it's an acquired taste though with the Bagoong, but it's certainly not a bad taste. A little bit more rice. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it there because I'm halfway through my dish, so let me know, how do you eat your Pinakbet? Do you have it with Bagoong or do you have it without? Let me know in the comments, and until the next video, Ingat Car.